Hello students. Now reading and explanation is completed in our lesson number 6, the Write Yes King. Now we go to the exercise. Now first one is read and learn. The first word is write yes, put away, make way, give up, come across, find out, set free, turn back, step down. So you have to read these words and learn it. Now from word power, make nouns of the following adjectives. Means these are adjectives given to you. So you have to make the noun form of. Now to making the noun form of these adjectives, you only add ness before after the word. Like second one is wicked. So you write it wickedness. Good, goodness. Mild, mildness. Righteous, righteousness. Selfish, selfishness. Willing, willingness. Go to the second question. Match the words with their meanings. Here in column A there are some words given to you, and in column B these are the meanings of that word. So selfish means caring only for oneself and not for others. सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचना, ना ही दूसरों के बारे में. Charioteer, one who drives a chariot. रथ चलाने वाले को charioteer कहते हैं. Righteousness, here behavior that shows high moral standard. जो नैतिक उद्देश्य और वैल्यूज होती हैं जो उसको शो करता है वो होता है राइटियसनेस. मर्सी, पिटी और काइंडनेस शोन टू समवन इंस्टेड ऑफ पनिशिंग हिम. मर्सी मीन्स दया, दया किसी के ऊपर दिखाना, दयालुता दिखाना उसको पनिशमेंट देने के जगह पर. कोर्टियर, अ पर्सन इन अटेंडेंस एट द कोर्ट ऑफ अ किंग. राजा के दरबार में जो लोग रहते हैं उन्हें कोर्टियर कहते हैं. कार्ट ट्रैक, अ पाथ मेड बाय कार्ट्स. जो रथ को निकलने के लिए जो रास्ता होता है उसे कार्ट ट्रैक कहते हैं. कंट्री साइड, लैंड आउटसाइड टाउन्स एंड सिटीज विथ फील्ड्स, वुड्स एक्सेट्रा. कंट्री साइड मीन्स होता है वो जगह लैंड की जहाँ पे टाउन्स और सिटीज होते हैं और जिसमें बहुत सारी फील्ड होती है और जंगल होते हैं. वर्च्यू, फॉलोइंग द रूल्स ऑफ राइट कंडक्ट. जो हम अच्छा काम करते हैं उसके रूल्स को फॉलो करना. नाउ गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. अन, इम, डिस, इन are some of the most common prefixes. Means these are the prefixes. Add them before following words to make new words. So you have to use all the four prefix in these words and make the new words. Like just, we put unjust. Natural, unnatural. Mobile, immobile. Correct, incorrect. Healthy, unhealthy. Direct, indirect. Fit, unfit. Like, dislike. Active, inactive. Obey, disobey. Go to the next, comprehension. Fill in the blanks with the words given. So you have to complete this paragraph with the help of these words. So when King Brahmadatta was ruling the kingdom of Varanasi, the Bodhisattva was born as his only son, and he was named Brahmadatta after his death, after his father. After his father's death, he became the king and ruled the kingdom with the righteousness and justice. He gave his judgments without fear or favor, love or hatred. The people were happy. They gave up falsehood and settled their disputes without violence. So students, this is your word power exercise. So you have to complete it in your notebook.